Have you ever wondered how divorce laws in New York State could impact your life or the lives of those around you? New York State Divorce Rules Explained. Divorce in New York State involves specific rules and regulations that are important to understand. Let's explore the key aspects of the divorce process in New York. First, let's talk about residency requirements. To file for divorce in New York, at least one spouse must have been living in the state continuously for at least 1 year before filing. In some cases, this requirement may extend to 2 years. New York recognizes both fault and no-fault grounds for divorce. Since 2010, couples can cite an irretrievable breakdown of the marriage for at least 6 months as a no-fault option. Fault-based grounds include cruel treatment, abandonment, imprisonment, and adultery. When it comes to property division, New York follows the principle of equitable distribution. This means marital property is divided fairly, but not necessarily equally, between spouses. Factors such as each spouse's income, future financial prospects, and contributions to the marriage are considered in this process. Spousal support, or alimony, may be awarded in New York divorces. The amount and duration depend on various factors, including the length of the marriage, income of both parties, and their future earning potential. New York uses a specific formula for temporary spousal support, but final awards are determined by the court based on several factors. For couples with children, child custody and support are crucial aspects of divorce. New York courts prioritize the best interests of the child when making custody decisions. This involves considering factors such as each parent's ability to care for the child's relationship with each parent, and any history of domestic violence. Child support is calculated using a specific formula based on the parents' combined income and the number of children. This ensures that children's financial needs are met after the divorce. The divorce process in New York typically begins with filing a summons and complaint. The spouse who files is called the plaintiff, and the other spouse is the defendant. The defendant must be served with these papers and has a specific time frame to respond. If both parties agree on all terms, they can file for an uncontested divorce, which is generally faster and less expensive. Understanding these New York divorce rules is crucial for anyone considering or going through a divorce in the state. While this overview provides a general understanding, divorce cases can be complex and unique. It is highly recommended to consult with an experienced family law attorney who can guide you through the process and protect your interests. Let's recap the key points about New York State divorce rules. Residency requirements. At least one spouse must have lived in New York for 1 to 2 years before filing. New York recognizes both fault and no-fault grounds for divorce, including irretrievable breakdown of the marriage. Property division follows the principle of equitable distribution, considering various factors for fair division. Child custody decisions prioritize the best interests of the child, while support is calculated based on parents' income and number of children. Remember, while these are the basics, divorce cases can be complex. It's always advisable to consult with an experienced family law attorney for personalized guidance. Thank you for watching our video on New York State divorce rules. We hope this information has been helpful in understanding the key aspects of the divorce process in New York.